They stuck together. My first attempt to fit these was not a success. Man, it's not sticking with the dog. That's better. Here it is. I fit it to my mouth. I wasn't able to smooth this out. I'd like to try to clean up the appearance of this a little, just because it's so raggedy looking. So let's do the bottom denture. It says to do this, basically the same process, but with the top denture in your mouth. I have the top in, that's why I sound like I can't talk, because I'm getting used to them. Let's try the bottom. And to pull them down, I had like a gigantic overbite. I'm borrowing a toothpick from my kid who has good teeth to try to get the excess material out from. I need to keep getting this excess material off the teeth. Okay. And I want to smooth it down. They stuck together. Look at. Now I have like a hard spiky point right there. And I need to fix these. Pull this down. When I put in the bottom and the top stuck together. So I'm trying to just fix that. Look at that. That's a lot of overbite. I think I'm going to try to add back some of this material that tore off when they stuck together. See if I can build up the back a little. The thermoplastic adhesive really sticks to itself, so it makes it easy at least to add and subtract material. I'm going to try to build this up in the back. I'm going to heat it again. This is stuff that came off when it stuck to my top denture. By the way, the thermoplastic adhesive really sticks to nail polish. So I'm going to have to say my first attempt at fitting my easy dentures has not been a rousing success. If you look at the bottom, I just cannot get it to shape for me. then the top is so rough. Another thing I don't like is that this gum line is all splotchy looking. Let's see if I can show you that. And then the thermoplastic material really comes up on the teeth, and I have to keep pushing it down. And then for the shape of my mouth, when I had the top denture in and I tried to fit the bottom, the backs touched in my mouth and stuck together. So when I took them out, then pulled them apart, I had those globs of thermoplastic. So I still have more overbite than I want, and I don't want the front teeth really recessed because then my top lip disappears. So like with the dentures my dentist made, I do have a little bit of an overbite, but with these I have a huge overbite because I shaped the top first and I'm trying to get the bottom to correspond. I have to say it gives me an appreciation of how hard it is to make dentures and get a good bite. Now, despite the issues I had, I think I'm gonna end up feeling like this is a good product. It just takes longer than I was expecting. I have been at it for a couple of hours. If you watch the videos, people heat them, they pop them in their mouth, wiggle their mouth a little, and they're done. After a couple of hours, I still have less than satisfactory results. However, all I have to do is throw these back into boiling water and I can start the process all over again. Maybe with a little practice, I'll get better at it. So I am not giving up on these. I'm not going to give a final opinion because despite my issues, I think it's worth trying again. So I hope your denture journey is going well, and I hope you join me when I try phase 2. But right now I have to go run some errands and rethink my approach. And then we'll do this again. I hope we talk again soon.